Good morning, everyone. It's time to plant the lemongrass. Plant in spring once all chances of frost have passed. It's best to plant them in ground or in containers. Grass thrive in fertile, well-drained soil in a spot with full sun. Water adequately. I soak this in the water for 3 weeks. You have to change the water every other day. I bought these seedlings 2 months ago and there were just 3 tiny stalks. And I think they were started from seeds, whereas this one, I bought this with long leaves. When you buy the stalk of lemongrass, make sure when you see the first line there, it has more flesh down below, like a centimeter, because that's where the roots grow. This one, I keep on removing the sheet. You can peel this. See, you can remove it to see a cleaner stalk. Lemongrass is an herb with strong citrus flavor. You can start harvesting once they reach around 18 inches tall and a half of an inch width at the base. So this is the base. I planted one lemongrass among the squash plants. Maybe the squash bugs won't like the smell of the lemongrass. And pull the entire stalks to harvest. The leaves are used primarily for fragrance and has citrusy flavor. It's used in Asian cooking and can grow as tall as 5 feet. The leaves and stalk can be used in making tea and soup. I store the chopped lemongrass in the freezer for winter use. Lemongrass is toxic to cats and dogs. I'm also planting the lemongrass in my watermelon patch. I'm using here fish water. If you will subscribe to my channel, you'll surely make my day. You may like and share my videos. Have a fun day!